One of the main activities during the air dome maintenance is to clean up the fan. But why it's so important, this activity, and how often do I need to do it? Fans are calibrated during production using small weights on the blade. This to spin the fan perfectly on its axis, but during the normal operation, dirt and humidity creates a sort of glue which attaches to the blade, and so the fan spins not perfectly on axis, creating vibrations. These vibrations create noise and mechanical stress on the bearings. So the bearings will have a shorter life cycle and higher maintenance cost. How often do I need to clean the fan? Well, the higher is the frequency and better it is, but at least once a year. It's preferable before the air dome mounting, so to have the fan spinning with no load. This is all for today. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have comments or doubts, down in the comment or on our website, and see you in the next video.